Interpipe uses IT enterprise information system to manage their main business processes: finance and accounting, human resources, procurement, orders, production and repairs. The management of these key functions is centralized. This complex IT system is an effective tool for analysis, planning and decision-making. The key task of the information system for manufacturing is to provide online traceability of goods at any stage of production, from casting of steel billets to shipment of finished products. Let us look at the product's traceability in pipe production using the example of Interpipe Nicotube. The use of advanced IT accelerates the process of preparing documentation for quality assurance manifold. All relevant information is stored in a single database. Data about orders and operations are encoded in a QR code on each package of pipes. The tracking system uses Wi-Fi to integrate the scanner with the equipment's electronic system. In addition, information about the operations performed can be entered in special terminals. The duration for product identification is significantly reduced. Participation of an operator in the process of entering data on the pipes is reduced to a minimum. The risk of human error is virtually eliminated. The process of pipe marking is automated. A marking template is formed automatically, depending on the product, manufacturing, standards and customer requirements. The template is filled with specific information from the database and the equipment management operating system. The only thing the operator has to do is enter the order number. Automation helps to avoid mistakes and therefore customer complaints. Every month, each workshop conducts an inventory of pipe products. The control of tag registration can be accelerated with the use of a special application. It is built using computer vision with learning capability. Just take a photo of the package and the application will determine the number of pipes in the package. Thanks to the online pipe verification, each customer can check necessary information by scanning the QR code from the package tag. The QR code directs the client to a web page with details about the received products, retrieved from the unified information system. Integration of the equipment into a single information system is also carried out at the Interpipe and TRP wheel rolling shop. Just like pipe products, information about wheel orders and operations is stored in a central database. There is a system for tracing each key stage of production. Each wheel is given an electronic tag. The tag data are processed automatically. Information about the performed operations can be entered into a special terminal as well. European and American railways and train carriage builders will receive products with the unique QR code. This code, if necessary, can provide information about each wheel. This is an obligatory, standard-regulated customer requirement. The company operates an automated asset management system. The integrated information system stores all data on the equipment and its maintenance, from classification of equipment and downtime records to the purchase of spare parts in accordance with repair schedules and cost analysis, as well as planning and supervision of repair works. One of the main elements of the system is automated accounting of equipment utilization and downtime. Data on operating time of the main equipment are collected by controllers installed on the lines. The causes of downtime are entered into the single information system by section format. This new module is an effective tool for monitoring repair works, optimization of warehouse operations and the procurement of spare parts, as well as comprehensive analysis of the equipment performance, including RCM analysis. The Capital Asset Management module is constantly updated to provide additional benefits for users.